Hi, this is your host, and you're watching this channel. Most of the ocean is a barren wasteland with very little life, except for these guys. Jellyfish. They're everywhere. There are thousands of different species of jellyfish in the world's oceans, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Some are deadly, some are harmless, and some are downright weird. This is one of those. This is the sea turtle. I am not sure why it is called a turtle, because it is neither a turtle nor a tortoise. It's actually more closely related to this guy, the comb jelly. Sea turtles belong to a group of animals called tunicates. Tunicates are a type of invertebrate, which means that they don't have a backbone. Most other characteristics that we use to classify animals like fur or feathers or scales really apply to tunicates because they so weird. Turtles have no bones at all, not even a skeleton. Their bodies are made up of 3 parts: a head, a trunk, and a tail. And each part has a different function. The front part of their head is used for feeding, and the back part is used for reproduction. The trunk moves the animal around, and the tail helps them steer. It looks like a mouth, but it's actually just an opening where food goes in and out. Food enters the body through this opening, and waste exits through another opening right next to it. It doesn't have any brain tissue. Any nerves are located in the anterior region of its trunk. Now, the most amazing thing about the sea turtle is how it eats. See? It has these 2 long tentacles near its mouth that work like oars on a boat. The creature uses these tentacles to propel itself through the water in a figure-8 pattern. Doing this creates currents that pull food particles toward its mouth. Once food enters its body, there is a good chance that it will be expelled out of the other end and be eaten again by some other animal. Biologists think that this might be the reason why sea turtles have such small brains. If food is going to get regurgitated anyway, there's no need for a big brain to process it, so it's basically saving energy. Sea turtles have been around for over 200 million years. That makes them older than dinosaurs. There are about 130 species of sea turtle alive today. All sea turtles are endangered because humans eat them. They're considered a delicacy in many countries. In some places, people farm sea turtles to make a profit. They capture wild turtles, then breed them in captivity. Jellyfish can be found in all of the world's oceans. They prefer temperate and tropical waters with plenty of plankton to eat. Some live near the surface, while others can be found at depths of over 2,000 meters. Even though sea turtles are invertebrates, they can swim at depths where there's no light at all. Special proteins in their bodies allow them to see in the dark. Almost all sea turtles are hermaphroditic, meaning that they have both male and female reproductive organs. At birth, each individual has 2 sex chromosomes, like XX or XY. But unlike most animals, sea turtles can change their sex depending on the environment. For example, if temperatures are higher on one side of the nest where eggs are laid, more females will hatch. And if temperatures are lower on the other side, more males will hatch. Scientists aren't exactly sure what the advantage is of having multiple sexes, but they suspect that it has something to do with finding mates. If there aren't very many turtles around, having both male and female reproductive organs would increase the chances of successfully reproducing. Even though sea turtles have been on Earth for hundreds of millions of years, we still know very little about them. That is probably because they spend most of their time in the ocean where it is hard to study them. Plus, they tend to hide from scientists, which is probably why the last time someone tried to count how many sea turtles there are in the world, they came up with a very rough estimate of between 40 and 60,000 individuals. So the next time you're swimming in the ocean, keep your eyes peeled for these strange creatures. You never know when you might spot one. All the footage you saw in this video was caught by a team of marine biologists. They spend months in the water observing and documenting these amazing animals. This has been the Sea Turtle. If you want to learn more about sea turtles or other cool animals, click on the link below. Thanks for watching.